how to transfer your playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music. This tutorial shows you how to migrate your playlists between music streaming platforms. First, open your web browser on your Android device and search for a playlist transfer service like SoundIs, Tune My Music, or Free Your Music. Next, tap on one of these websites to open the playlist transfer tool. Following that, you'll see options to connect your music streaming accounts. Now, tap on Connect Spotify or Add Source and select Spotify from the list of music streaming apps. Moving forward, you'll be redirected to Spotify to authorize the connection. Afterwards, log into your Spotify account and grant permission for the service to access your playlists. In addition to that, once connected, you'll see all your Spotify playlists displayed on the screen. Once there, select the playlist you want to transfer by tapping on it or checking the box next to it. Subsequently, tap on Transfer or Convert to proceed to the next step. Moreover, you'll now need to select the destination platform. Afterwards, tap on YouTube Music from the list of available music services. Then, you'll be redirected to YouTube Music to authorize the connection. Within this step, log into your YouTube Music account and grant the necessary permissions. Alternatively, if you're already logged in, simply tap Allow or Confirm to proceed. Once authorized, the service will begin transferring your playlists from Spotify to YouTube Music. Then, wait for the transfer process to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on playlist size. Within your YouTube Music app, refresh the library and you'll see your transferred playlists appear. And that's it. If this playlist transfer guide helped you switch music platforms easily, drop a like, subscribe for more streaming music tips, and enable the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.